Hello, today we'll make a video by using PowerPoint. Did you ever use this? This is a very useful tool and you can make a very simple and also a gorgeous video by using the PowerPoint. And let's make a video today, okay? So before this I need to make a PowerPoint presentation and then I will convert it into a very beautiful video. Let's start. Okay. So let's make a video like how to make you every single day a beautiful day. Okay. Now, okay. Going to next slide. I'm adding a pictures here. Okay. Do not be miser. Yeah, you should not be miser because miser people cannot enjoy their life. Okay, bold it. Going to second slide. Let's insert another picture. Listen music and enjoy movies. There's another slide. I am preparing the slide very quick so that you may not bore. Do travel. Sorry. Okay, now let's make the final one. See more insider.com. Another common thing you can do here is just for branding your video for your website, you can put your website name here like mainsider.com. Okay, and just copy this and paste in the slide. Okay, so our presentation is ready. Now you can add some transition option. So I will like to add this one, peel off and apply to all. And also I can use some animation in my video like the brush color, add some animation here. Okay, so I have done my presentation. Now time to add music. Okay, the music, where, yeah, this is the music. I found it. Just hide the bar. Just want to hide the bar. Okay. Plain background. Now what I have to do, I have to make the presentation a video. I will convert it now. So just go to export option, create a video, and second is paint on each slide. You can vary it or you can increase it depending upon the materials of your each slide. Now create a video. Okay, I'm going to save it in desktop. Okay, just going to happen. Yeah, it's just on the way to complete. Okay, it's going to, oh, it's done. Now let's see our video. Amazing, we've done it, right? We've done it. And the awesome video. See, awesome video. Yeah, you can also do it. Okay, so now we can make a video by using the PowerPoint presentation. And thank you for being with us.